Hello guys, today I will show you how to make link summon. Let's start. For beginning, I will use LadyDebug. This is Ignister Keyboard deck, by the way. LadyDebug can add level 3 or lower monsters, which is good for Hiyari, Toshin, Bururu and Achichi, but in this case I will add Hiyari, like this. Now I special summon Hiyari. Oh, I can't, because I don't control Ignister monster. But maybe I still can link summon with Linkuriboh. Yeah, or Linkuriboh, or Linkuriboh, Nekuriboh. You need one level 4 or lower Kiberis monster, which is LadyDebug level 4 Kiberis monster. And it's link 1, which means you need just one monster, or special it, or link summon. Now I special, I will use succession for special LadyDebug again. Now let's see what I can do now. Hmm. Oh yeah, but no, Linguibu is not Ignister monster. Much better hand. First I will use mining to send Pikari and to add Achichi. Yeah, probably Achichi. Normal Achichi. Sending what to send. Ignister monster. Maybe Buru. Or not sending but adding. My bad. I think about Buru the whole time. Now I can special Doshin and I can special Hiyari also. And now I can link summon Templar. Yeah, I will link summon Templar. What you need for Templar is 3 monsters with different names, and it's link 3. That means you need 3 monsters. If it's set 2+ monsters with different names, and it's link 3 again, that means you need 3 monsters, not 2 monsters. But sadly, I cannot do anything else. Nothing at all. But that's the way how to link someone. Let's see another hint. I have I ritual. Let me think. Someone Doyon. I can summon Linguibu, but also can special fire Phoenix. In this case, it said 2 plus keybears monsters, but it's link 3. That means you need 3 monsters. Or link 2 plus 1 other monster, but can't use link 3. Only link 3. Because it said 2 plus monster. So let's do it. Special this, special this, and link all 3 for Fire Phoenix. Here it, here it is. Mm, now this hand. Yeah, much better. I land will special summon Doyon. I will normal summon Lady Debug and will add Hiai to say it. Special Hiai and link summon all 3 or Templar. Here you go. Now I will use Reborn to special Doyon, and now I activate Templar effect to special Hiai and of course Succession special Lady Debug. And now I will overlay those two for Light Dragon. Yeah, and that's everything for Link Summon. Just remember, if set 2 plus but it's Link 3, you need to use 3 monsters, or Link 2 plus 1 monsters, or Link 1 plus 2 monsters, but never just 2, or just 1. It's somehow some kind of synchro monster, because you need to look for levels and for links. It's just like overlay 2, because again you need to look for materials. That's all. Enjoy.